Welcome students. In this class we are going to study about flash fill. So this is a very important instrument or a function we can use in Excel to do wonderful things, to do great things. So we have got a list of data, or I would say some information. All of them are stacked up like this. Now, we all know that email is an effective means of communication, and from email we can extract many things. For example, from this email, I'm going to show you how to extract the first name, the last name, and the company of this particular individual. Now, for that, we are going to use flash fill. So, what I'm going to do in the first cell, I'm going to highlight the cell and I'm going to type the first name that is present there in the email and click enter. Now, please watch what happens the moment I start to type the second name. Excel automatically understands the pattern and displays the other names. All you need to do is click enter. That's all. The names will appear. So successfully we have extracted the first name from the email list. Now for the second name or the last name, I'm going to show you another way by which we can get the names. So I have entered the second name, enter Viscos, and if you want to use the same technique which I've shown you in the first case, you can go ahead and use it. But if you're not happy with that technique, you can use this technique. Go to the first cell, highlight the other cells up until the last email featuring, and then go to data, click on it, and go to flash fill. Immediately the names would be filled by Excel. For extracting the company name, you can go to company name and type in the website address. The first name is the company name, so it's going to be Cam Harp, and click enter. Go and select the number of cells that you want and click flash fill. Immediately the names of the companies would be filled in. So we have successfully extracted from the email list